Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 6th of March 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a positive note today. Nifty opened gap up around 17,451 and then went on to make a high of 17,800. After that, markets continued its uptrend. At the time of close, Nifty closed around 17,700, which is a good sign. Similarly, Sensex rose 415 points to give a closing of 60,224. Talking about sectors, all the sectors ended in green, with Nifty oil and gas emerging as top gainer with gains of 1.92%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Adani Enterprises, Tata Motors, and ONGC. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 5.45%. 2.92% and 2.56% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Britannia, Tata Steel and JSW Steel. They fell within the range of 1.04% to 1.97% respectively. For the corporate segment, we have Kansai Nerolac Paints has acquired 40% stake in Nerofix from Polygel for 37 crore rupees. Now Nerofix will become a wholly owned subsidiary of Kansai. The acquisition is expected to be completed by March 31, 2023. Satin Credit Care Network has announced the merger of its wholly owned subsidiaries, Tarashna Financial Services, TFSL, a business correspondent subsidiary, with Satin Finserv, SFL, a MSME arm. Force Motors has announced the production of 2,259 vehicles for February 2023. Down 6.4% compared to 2,413 vehicles in previous month. Domestic sales grew by 9% monthly to 2,236 vehicles, but exports fell 45% to 221 vehicles in the same period. After revising its outlook on Adani Total Gas, ICRA has downgraded its outlook on another Adani Group-backed firm, and this time it would be Adani Ports. Chrysanda Solutions is interested in acquiring 20.1% stake in Cadcon Education, and its subsidiaries free from all encumbrances. This investment is in line with company's strategy to build a global business with software and technology services at its core. Bajaj Electricals on Saturday said its EPC division has bagged a contract, worth 564.87 Indian rupees crore from South Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited. The contract is for the supply of goods and services by South Bihar Power Distribution Company Limited, a domestic entity, under the revamped distribution sector scheme, the company said in a regulatory filing. Red Start Labs, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, has agreed to invest about 5.2 rupees crore in Sploot, a community and content-led platform for pet parenting. Red Start will acquire 1,822 compulsorily convertible preference shares as primary acquisition of shares. The aggregate shareholding of the company through Red Start, post this investment, in Sploot would be 24.13% on fully converted and diluted basis. For stocks to watch, we have Marico looks good on current market price of 500.95. It can be bought at 500 rupees, keeping target of 555 rupees with stop loss of 465. Godfrey Phillips looks good on current market price of 1995. It can be bought at 2,000 rupees, keeping target of 2,300 rupees with stop loss of 1750. Asian Energy Limited in daily time frame is trading around 79.2 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 922,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 60.8, which is a good indication for the investors. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.21. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Simplex Infrastructure Limited in daily time frame is trading at 52 points with a change of 19.95%, and is trading with a net volume of around 224,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 42.6. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 58.86. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.